Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Tejas Raut. I am in the first year of BSc Computer Science. So today I am going to give you information about how GPS track your location through satellite or through internet. So now we can start. So the first point is what is GPS? GPS in a simple word, or GPS is Global Positioning System. GPS helps your device to find its exact location anywhere on the Earth using satellites. And so the here is the first slide. In the first slide, we have first point. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. Second point, it is a satellite-based navigation system that helps determine the location of a device on Earth. Third point, GPS uses a network of satellite orbiting Earth. Fourth, your phone or GPS receiver receives signal from multiple satellites. 5. By calculating the time taken for the signal to reach the device, it determines your latitude, longitude, and altitude. 6. GPS usually needs a signal from at least 4 satellites to accurately determine your position and time. 7. GPS itself does not continuously track you. 8 point. GPS is used in Google Maps navigation system, ride sharing apps, emergency services, fitness trackers, aviation, and many other applications. 9. GPS was developed by United States, but other satellite navigation systems also exist, such as Galileo, Europe, GLONASS, invented in Russia, and BIDO, invented in China. And here is on the right side of the slide, we have a flow graph or a diagram, or you can say pictures. So you so now uh, as you can see in the second slide, here is information about how GPS works. GPS uses a network of satellite orbiting Earth. Second, then your phone or GPS receiver receives signal from multiple satellites. Then, by calculating the time taken for these signals to reach the device, it determines your latitude, longitude, and altitude. Here is the information same as before slide. So next, fourth point, GPS usually needs signals from at least 4 satellites to accurately determine your position. 5. GPS itself does not continuously tracks you. And then next, below of how GPS work, there is a flow chart, or you can say whatever it can be. Here is GPS used. In GPS used in Google Maps navigation system, ride sharing apps, emergency services, fitness tracker, aviation, and many other applications. GPS is developed by. So now the third slide is appeared in front of us, and there is information about how it calculates your location. 4 satellites, 1 precise location. Satellite 1 sends signal, satellite 2 sends a signal, satellite 3 sends a signal, satellite 4 improve the accuracy. In the satellite 1 sends a signal, there is your phone receives the signal and calculates how far away the satellite is. In 2, your phone calculates its distance as well as now your location must be somewhere where the two distance range overlaps. In 3, the third distance. So here is the fourth slide, how GPS satellite sends signal. A step by step look at how your location is calculated using GPS. So the first one is the satellite carries an atomic clock that keeps extremely accurate time. Second is it continuously broadcasts a radio signal containing information about the exact position and the precise time to the signal was sent. 3. The signal travels from the satellite towards Earth and at approximately the speed of light. 4. Your phone or GPS receives signals from multiple satellites. 5. It calculates how long each signal to arrive and uses this to estimate the distance to each satellite. 6. By combining distances from at least 4 satellites, the receivers calculates your latitude, longitude, altitude, and accurate time. Here is the sixth point. It's as same as the last three slides, present in last three slides. So now we can go for the next fifth slide. So now the fifth slide is arrived, appeared in front of us. Here is the information about how your phone receives GPS signal from satellite. GPS satellite in first column, GPS satellites orbit Earth and continuously broadcast radio signals toward the ground. Second, your phone has GPS, GNSS receivers and antenna that can detect these very weak signals. 3. When you open a location-based app, the phone's receiver starts searching for signals from visible satellite. 4. The satellite sends signals containing their precise time and orbital position information. 5. Your phone receives signals from multiple satellites using at least 4 for full position fix. 6. The phone compares the time the signal was sent with the time it was received to estimate the distance to it. So here is a small video for you containing all the information that mentioned in. So now here is the sixth slide. In the sixth slide, there is information about how your phone converts GPS coordinates into your location on a map. So there is a first point regarding GPS determines your coordinates. Your, your phone's GPS receivers calculates your latitude and longitude using signal from multiple satellites. In the second, coordinates are sent to the mapping app. The phone's operating system provides these coordinates to apps such as a map or navigation app. 3. The map database is checked. The mapping app has digital map data containing roads, buildings, places, borders, and other geographic information. 4. Coordinates are matched with the map. The app identifies where your latitude and longitude falls on its digital map. 5. Your location appears as a marker. The app displays your position as a blue dot or location marker on the app map. 6. So now in the seventh slide, as we can see the information about how does your phone improve location accuracy. So there is a first point, GPS, GNSS satellites. The phone receives signal from the multiple satellites. Second, Wi-Fi networks. Your phone can use nearby Wi-Fi network to estimate your location. Third, mobile tower. The phone can estimate its approximate location based on nearby cellular towers. 4. Sensors. The phone uses sensors such as accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass to understand movement and direction. 5. Combining all data, the phone combines satellite signals, Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and sensor to create a more reliable location estimate. 6. Map matching. Navigation apps can compare your estimated position with known roads. So now we are able to go for 8th slide. So now in the 10th slide we can see what is trilateration. Trilateration is the method of GPS used to calculate your location by measuring distance from satellite multiple satellite. There is a goal. Find the one exact point where all the distance meet at your location. Important, very important. GPS uses trilateration, not triangulation. Trilateration uses distance, versus triangulation uses angle. For your general knowledge, here is the information about trilateration and triangulation. So here is information about disadvantages of GPS. First, GPS itself doesn't usually send your location to other people. Your phone GPS receives calculates receivers calculate your position from satellite signals. Second, however, apps and online services can access your location. Third, apps such as maps, ride sharing, food deliveries, weather, and social medias. Fourth, your location may also be estimated using Wi-Fi networks and mobile networks. Fifth, some apps may store location history. Six, companies may use location data to personalize services or advertisements. Seven, if an account or device is compromised, your location information could potentially be exposed. There are some privacy tips. Give location permission only when necessary. Review and adjust app permission regularly. Clear location history when you can. Keep your account